We get as many requests from industry to develop new programs as we develop on our own. In this region, there's a massive skill shortage, and I think we're going to see more and more emphasis in the Polytechnics to develop that full range of skills. I'm John Tibbetts. I'm president of Conestoga College Institute of Technology and Advanced Learning. Industry is actually embedded in every program of Conestoga College. One of the examples of a pretty significant employer-college relationship is in the area of long-term care facilities and home care. And our understanding right now in our region is that the personal support worker shortage is in the thousands. And so we've developed a different kind of personal support worker program in this community where they're actually employees. So they're admitted to the college, but they're also guaranteed a paid placement in a long-term care facility. So that's been fabulous. Because of our relationship with industry, we were able to work on a much different delivery model and therefore go from training 350 PSWs last year to 2,100 this year, which is quite significant. We are expanding our relationships with other long-term care facilities, and they're embracing this model. And I think we're fortunate because we're in one of the economic engines of Canada, but certainly in Ontario. And industry knows, and we know, that the only way we can meet this drastic skill shortage is by working hand in hand to really make a difference as far as the economic and social development.